In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Google Pay. So for those people who do not know Google Pay is like an online wallet. You guys can use it to pay for stuffs online, all right? You can, load money into it and you can use it to pay for other stuff like which is linked with Google, all right? So basically, let me just read it out. Google Pay is a digital wallet platform and online payment system developed by Google to power in-app, online, and in-person contactless purchase on mobile devices. So you might have known what it is about. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching One Step YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. First step, search for Google Pay login. After you do that, you just want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says sign in Google accounts. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the Google Pay sign in page over there. And once you're over there, you can log in into your account. So basically, to sign in into Google Pay, it's not that hard. You just need to create a Google account. After you create a Google account, you just click on it, log in into your account. After I've already logged in into my Google account. All right, so after you create a Google account, you come over here, add a payment method. So what it means is once you create a Google account, you just need to add a payment method on your Google account. After you add a payment method in Google account, basically your Google Pay is done, in which means GPay. So basically, creating yourself a Google account or logging into Google Pay means creating your Google account. All right, so what it means is, don't get confused. Basically, just like when you come to this page, you just want to log in into your Google account. I've already done that, so it didn't ask me to log in into my Google account. After logging into your Google account, is basically done. So what you need to do is you need to log in into the Google account with which you have like a Google Pay linked. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and bye bye.